Short Tech, we are rolling. This is Dead In Your TrackZ, and I've got a laser. There you go. And the goal is to shoot the enemies coming. Let's get a few ammo. They are unlimited. They come at different speeds. So this is a PCVR version. And I also tried the Metastore version. Looks like they added a few things for Halloween, which is a nice touch. Oh, there's people here. Oh, I didn't see you. I've got stronger bullets. One bullet can be out for the difficult one. Oh no, we've got a friend here. Okay, that's a wrap.